Okay, it is the Friday, December 12th, 2025 edition of 5 Minutes to Fame in the E-mini, uh, article by Al Brooks, and the wonderful opening line to the article, trading does not have to be complicated. So today, trading did complicate itself a little bit for me. I had a Globex chart on here. Thought I was set to global sim, so I did some trading during the Globex session. Turned out I was actually trading the live valuation account. So I did some trading prior to the regular trading hour open. Not what my plan is, but it happened. And at any rate, so I'm only going to talk about the trading that was done during regular trading hours. I would display my trades on the chart, but because of the way NinjaTrader does things, when I do that, because of the trading I did in pre-market, it stacks all that. It's a mess. You can't really tell. You're going to have to take my word for it that these were the trades for today. First trade was an opening range break long. Target on this trade was only going to be about 4 points. I was going to take my profit at this dotted pivotal level, which was last week's high. Price never got there. It triggered, was really sluggish, lots of back and fill. Made a high at 69.03. My entry was at 69.125. So not even 2 points. This bar opened, I think it came a little below the entry. Then it got back up to this 69.03, and I was watching on my trading DOM. Let me see if I can grab that. I was watching on this. And so when this was a 69.03, I'm no expert on being able to trade the ladder. I wish I were. In fact, one thing I'm considering during this trading break from trading my live money accounts is I'm looking at that Jigsaw Trading. It's a software where it sort of emphasizes using the ladder, and I think you can purchase some training along with it. I don't know if I want to spend the money or not, but it's something I am considering. I'm going to look into it over the weekend. I may or may not do it. But the point is, I'm experienced enough with the trading DOM that when you get a situation like this, which Brooks would call a micro double top. So you had this high, price came down, retraced, micro double top. It's a micro double top because it's 2 consecutive bars. Whenever there is a reversal and they're fairly close together, like this would be more of a double top. Price came up, pulled back, made this high. Many bars between the two highs, as opposed to 2 consecutive bars. So this, I wasn't recording. I was talking to myself. So let's talk about the trade. So again, I did some trading pre-market. The other thing I want to show real quick. Fortunately, I'm going to take a screenshot. I don't know if it matters showing the eval account number, but I feel I should probably not show it. So I'm going to block it out. Just want to show I'm running with a daily loss limit of $1,250 and a daily profit trigger of $2,500. So if during the course of the trading day at any point, my daily P&L for the current day is a loss of $1,250 or more. The trading platform will liquidate any open positions and prevent me from opening any additional positions. If at some point during the course of the day my daily profit goes above $2,500, I think that might be the limit, the consistency limit for trade day on this account. It'll, again, if my profit exceeds that, it will automatically liquidate any open positions and prevent me from opening any new positions so that I don't violate that, consistency level, which would increase the amount of profit I would be required to accumulate. So I want to show that today. And then let's go over these trades again. So what happened here, I was watching the trading DOM. I moved my stop to, I think, 1.5. So I was probably stopped out with a 1 tick profit, but there could have been slippage. So maybe it was at a break even. Maybe it was break even less 1, but it was right around there. And then soon after, this bar just collapsed through a short entry. So the first profitable trade of the regular session was here. I'm using a 1-to-1 on these trades. There's probably could have taken a profit at the previous, this would have been Tuesday's close, I believe, but it was just doing a 1-to-1. So that was about a little more than a 3.5 point profit. Then we had a reversal bar. So I did enter a buy stop above the high of this bar, but it never triggered. The next bar was an inside bar. So I moved my buy stop to go long to 1 tick above the high of the inside bar. And since it was an inside bar, I added a short entry. That was good for 6 points. At that point, between what I had already done during the regular trading session, plus what I did this morning in Globex, I had exceeded my 20-point profit objective for the day. You can see here, I'm actually at close to 24 points profit. Probably was more than 24, but with the commissions, it took me down to here. So net liquidations at 156,514. So I'm about $2,500 short of the $9,000 profit target to pass the evaluation. And again, I'm in Global Sim. Thought I was recording and I wasn't. So everything you just listened to, I already said once before. And at that point, I was recording when this bar had closed. I said this would be another short entry below here, long entry above. You can see this also went for about 7 points. So if I had taken that with the others, I would have been at pretty much my 20 points on the regular session. I really don't see how 20 points a day is doable. I just don't know that the ES is going to give that kind of range every day. Today it did. Yesterday it certainly did. Yesterday it gave 2 20-point trades almost out of the gate. But that's it. I am going to look into, see here if I can open this here, Forex Factory. In the journal, one of our members posted where is it here? His name is Maxi Pip. Posted that the person that Al Brooks was referring to is named Ali Moin Afshari. I apologize if I mispronounced any of that. He said he scalps 2 to 5 points per trade, 5 to 7 scalps a day for 4 points. So a little inconsistent there in the account. Is it 2 to 5 points per trade? Is it 4 points each trade. He says he knows because he has Ollie's course and books. I haven't found any of his books. I did find reference to his course. I'm going to watch, I already watched one video. I'm going to watch a couple others, and then I'm going to give I'm going to do a little video of my take on what I'm seeing there. But anyway, I'm going to keep it going. I'm going to keep trying to trade this ES. I'm going to see if I can pass this, what do you call it? Evaluation, trading the ES, regular trading hours, 5-minute bars, pretty much what you're seeing me do here. And we'll go from there. All right. Have a good day.